so we just got the final pieces to hook up the quick release in my e46, so we're gonna be doing that today. All right, we got our LZMFG steering wheel, thread locker, the hub. Don't mind those holes. I had to drill that out for my sim. This is just temporary. I'm gonna get a new one. Just waiting on that. So the first thing I did was center the steering wheel and then just lock in the clock spring. And then there's gonna be, oh, my steering wheel's different. There's gonna be 2 screws back there, and that should hopefully release the airbag. All right, so it actually ended up being a Torx bit, so it's a T25, and then I just got this, hooked it up to a quarter inch ratchet, and then I was able to get back, behind here into this hole and break it loose that way, and you can see this side is now loose, so I just need to do down here. I believe now that that's broken loose. So now that that's broken loose, I'm able to just pull this off. Then I'm gonna have to go through, oops, I actually pulled that one already, unplug this. All right, so the airbag is out, and it is really heavy compared to, like, well, I don't know, it's just really heavy. So now we just gotta take this out, and then I'll be ready to put the new one on. All right, so it's a 16 millimeter. I already broke it loose. It is on there very tight, so just be careful when you're taking that off. Now we should be able, I don't know if I can video this. Oh, there it goes. Just pop this off. And then here is our clock spring. You can see this is what holds the wheels still. I'm not gonna be doing any of the horn wiring, so if you want to do that, it's up to you. I just decided that I didn't really care. So now this is a short hub adapter I got from Amazon. If you're doing this on a BMW, you do need one of these. So I'm just gonna line it up, make sure that's on the top. There we go. So now that that's lined up, we can put our 16 millimeter bolt back in. All right, so now that this is on there, we're gonna take our nice energy bolts from Amazon, put some thread locker on them, and then just screw them in right here. So I forgot to mention that the hub the bolt will go through this, through the hub, and then through the short hub. And so yeah, like I said, don't mind these extra bolt holes. They mean nothing. They were just there for my sim setup. So that's why this is temporary. I'm ordering another one of these so that I could put this back on my sim setup and then have a new one in my car. But other than that, I already had the steering wheel connected to the quick release because I did have it on my sim setup. So all we should need to do now is just pop it on. And there you have it. All right, here's what we're looking like. Shout out MLZ for the steering wheel.